Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Flipboard. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about the application of Flipboard and we click here. Then in this page of app info, we go to first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We search about Flipboard. If you find updates, then we'll update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.